Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this beautiful 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400 convertible, 3-speed manual. Just an absolutely stunning vehicle. Before we get too far into this Pontiac 400, just tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 vehicles in inventory at all times. About 80% of the vehicles are domestic, classic cars, and then the other 20% are European, exotic, and or luxury vehicles. Not going to go through the entire warehouse for you. If you have any questions or you want to see what we have in inventory, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com or give us a call at 941-355-1955. But wanted to get back on this 68 Pontiac 400 Firebird. If you have an interest in this car and you're not in Florida, do not hesitate to still visit the website or call us, as we can certainly get you this vehicle anywhere you may be in the world. Last year we shipped to 8 different countries around the world and shipped to 19 different US states, so we can certainly get you the vehicle wherever you may be. About 70% of what we sell does leave the state of Florida, so we're very accustomed to remote buyers and or selling remotely. If you have finance needs or you are looking to finance a car, we can certainly help you out there, as we do have classic car partners that will finance classic vehicles, along with some late model financing banks as well. But back on this beautiful Firebird, this is absolutely the epitome of the 1960 muscle cars. This particular Firebird has had 2 owners. Again, the current owner has owned this vehicle since 1970, so essentially the last 55 years or so it's been with the same owner. It has had a complete restoration approximately 4 years ago. As I mentioned, it does have a 3-speed. You can see the white top, rally wheels, red line tires, 400 V8, in absolutely fantastic condition. Has had some upgrades, what you see with the power brakes. Does have power steering, disc brakes in the front, and drum in the rear. The paint is in excellent condition. The chrome is in very good condition. Nice bright chrome on it. Original colors. Have a turquoise. Pictures may not show, this video may not show how nice the car is. We do have pictures of the vehicle outside in much better lighting than what is in here today. We do have it up on the lift so you can see the underside. Let's go ahead and get this fired up for you, just to show you that it is a cold start here. Grabbing the headers there. Connect the battery. As all vehicles, we disconnect the battery or have the shutoffs on while they're inside. Alright, make sure we're neutral here. Grab the right key. The door is open, so we'll get rid of that buzzer. Get the right key, we'll be all set. There we go. pump. Starts right up. There's your pump it, make sure there's fuel in the carburetor. Just a beautiful vehicle, very classic of the 60s, 1968 Firebird. I did not mention the top is power. So I put that back in. Make sure we're neutral. Try to let you hear the exhaust. Low rumble of the 60s and 70s. That's what they called it, the muscle car era for sure. Again, had the nice little rumble, not loud or obnoxious, but sounds very nice. The engine, you can hear it running very nice and smooth. As I mentioned, the vehicle has had a complete restoration. The restoration was completed approximately in 21, early 22. So again, about 4 years old. Just a beautiful car, runs well. Hear that 400 just sounds fantastic. As I mentioned, the paint is in excellent condition. Just very well restored vehicle here. Great combination of colors. Again, the turquoise body color with the turquoise interior, white power top. Just a beautiful combination for this 1968 Pontiac 400. Again, two family owned. The current family has owned it for the last 55 years. So again, very well kept car, recent restoration. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We appreciate you joining in, and please follow us for additional content. Thank you.